is a famous saying from Bugs Bunny. If you don't know who Bugs Bunny is, oh my, you're going to have to ask your parents. Anyway, Bugs Bunny is my cousin, and the Easter Bunny is my cousin also. I'm Mrs. Bunnyyard, and I'm here to do some artwork. And not just any artwork, but a bunny garland. So friends, oh, isn't that exciting? Oh, we need to grab this from our packet. It looks like this. It's folded paper, and it's got a bunny drawn. And inside, oops, dropped, oh, is a yellow little cotton ball. So we're going to put the cotton ball aside, and we're going to grab this guy and scissors, and make sure you have liquid glue. Your liquid glue. All right, friends, I'll wait for you. You can pause the video. And now you're back. All right, friends. So, this is so important. Repeat after me. I will only cut on the pencil line. Again, I will only cut on the pencil line. So I'm going to come close and show you. We're going to start the bunny garland. Here I come, right over here, up close and personal. All right, oh, really personal. See my nose. Okay, friends, look at this. We got pencil drawn. Oh, but there's no pencil right here, right there. Don't cut there. There's no pencil here either. There's no pencil over here, and there's no pencil over here. Because if you cut there and you start cutting there, you cut the fold, and your bunnies are all three bunnies, not holding hands or holding ears or feet. Okay, friends, so cut only on the pencil. And you're going to watch me. So watch me first, and then you can cut. Don't cut while I'm doing it. All right, I'm going to start here on this foot. I start on the pencil line. I don't cut up like that. I just cut here. Here I go. I'm following the pencil line. And then I turn it so I can move my scissors. And now I'm going on the side. I'm going around the cheeks, on the face, and then I go on the head, cutting on the pencil line. If you don't get all the pencil, no worries. Just, it's a guide. You're just cutting on the pencil. Again, only on the pencil. Watch. Here come the ears. I'm going to cut on the line, and I'm going to stop. I'm not cutting on the side there because I'm going to disconnect my bunny ears. Now I start on the pencil line on the ears. Grab it. And I'm twining it. Yep. You know, Bugs Bunny. He's a funny guy. And his friend is Elmer Fudd. All right, there we go. On the head now, going up the ears. I'm going to turn it. Pay attention. Turning it. And I'm cutting on the pencil. Stop. Don't cut there. All right, friends, now I go. Where's the pencil again? I'm going to cut here. Here's the ears. I'm going to go on the pencil line only. Hold it tight. Then I'm going to turn it. I'm looking at the camera, making sure you can see all this. And now I'm going down on the head, going down, cutting down on the side of his head. And then I'm cutting on the cheeks right here. Going around. Follow the pencil line. Following the side of the body. Here I come to the other foot. I'm going to go turn it. Only on the pencil. If you don't see pencil, you don't cut. Oh, now look at, we've got a perfect little bunny, right? Let's see. Do we have one bunny or three? Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, friends, we did it right. You got 3 bunnies. Okay, now come back over here and guess what we're going to do? We're going to rip apart. We got the bunny garland. You can choose which side you want to put the bunny tail on. If you have some pencil, you could flip it on the other side. But you're going to put your bunnies face down. And you're going to rip this cotton ball into little tiny pieces. Little tiny pieces, and roll it in your hands till you can form a little ball. And then you're going to dab a dot of glue and then put a little piece of the ball, the bunny ball cotton tail on there. And my bunny paws don't work too well. Dab glue and then put it on there. Hold it there. Don't lift your garland up until you've done. Dabbed one glue, put a cotton ball. One glue, put a cotton ball. One glue, put a cotton ball. And then it should look like this, friends. There you go. And you got your cotton ball garland and your bunny cottontail, little cute cottontail yellow tails. And there you go, friends. We got a garland. And you can set it up and put it on the display in your window. And there's my garland. I'm going to back it up so you can see my bunny garland. Here we go. There's my friends. Oops, I got to bend them. If they don't stand up too well, you bend it a little more. And you can make more. You can get more paper. All right, friends. Thank you so much for joining me in my enchanted forest. And say hello to Mrs. Manshaw, will you, for me? Mrs. Bunnyyard says hello. Have a great Friday and enjoy your bunnies. You're welcome to decorate their faces, or you can just leave it with like this, a nice silhouette. I think they're very cute. Bye, friends.